The following is a winter storm briefing provided by the National Weather Service in Billings on Tuesday, October 2nd, 2013. A strong storm system will move into the area late tonight, bringing winter-like conditions to the region. Heavy precipitation amounts are expected with this storm through Friday, and temperatures are cold enough that much of this precipitation will fall as snow in many areas. The potential exists for heavy snow over much of south-central Montana and north-central Wyoming, as well as portions of southeast Montana. Mountain and foothills locations above 4,000 feet will see the heaviest snowfall. Only light snow accumulations are expected over northeast areas from Miles City to Baker, and mainly on hilltops. In between these areas, the potential exists for heavy snowfall, but with temperatures hovering near freezing, accumulations will be variable and largely based on elevation. This storm system is expected to produce unusually heavy precipitation for October. The southern half of the area is expected to see over an inch of liquid from late tonight through Friday, much of this falling as snow. There is still a small amount of uncertainty as to the exact track of this storm system. A storm track further north than currently forecast would push the higher amounts northward, while a track further south would bring less precipitation to the area. Only a slight variation in track could be the difference between over an inch of precipitation and less than half an inch. The snow with this storm will be very wet and heavy, so-called heart attack snow. Even small accumulations of this type of snow can cause problems with tree and power line damage this time of year, as trees are still holding their leaves. Therefore, we will be looking at issuing winter storm warnings and advisories for accumulations lower than we would normally. The heaviest snowfall is expected over area mountains and foothills, where precipitation should turn to snow late tonight. 1 to 2 feet of snow is expected above 6,000 feet, with foothills locations seeing 8 to 14 inches with locally heavier accumulations possible. Areas from Harleton to Billings to Broadus and Alzada will see temperatures hovering near freezing through the storm, and there will be significant variability in snow accumulations in this area, mainly based on elevation. Higher elevation hills may see significantly more snow than river valley locations in this area. Northeast sections of the forecast area from Miles City to Baker will be on the fringe of the system and will see less precipitation, though hilltop locations could still see some snow accumulation Thursday night into Friday. The biggest impact with the system looks to be power outages, which could be widespread. With trees still holding leaves and the heavy wet nature of the snow, combined with northeasterly winds of 15 to 30 miles per hour, tree damage is likely and limbs falling on power lines can be expected. Travel will be impacted, but ground and road temperatures are still warm and most areas will see wet to slushy road conditions. Where snowfall intensity increases, several inches of slushy accumulation can be expected. Portions of I-90 near Livingston and across southern Bighorn and Sheridan counties, along with the Beartooth Highway, Highway 14 over the Bighorn Mountains, and Highway 212 near Red Lodge, will likely see the worst travel conditions with this storm. This wet, heavy snow will be dangerous for any hunters or persons caught outdoors unprepared. Thank you for viewing this briefing. For additional forecast details, please see our website.